In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift supports on your Nissan Murano located on the rear hatch. Now at this point here, the rear hatch is probably open, and what we do recommend is before you pop this off, either have a prop rod or someone to assist you doing this job so that the hatch doesn't come down and fall on you. Now we're going to start by using a pocket screwdriver. And on the ends here are going to be metal clips that lock this onto a ball and socket retainer. You're going to find this little clip, and there's going to be a notch right here, and you're going to pry out this metal clip. Now you don't have to remove it, you just need to loosen it. And with that hatch supported, you're going to pull outward. There it is. Now we're going to repeat this process on the upper. Sometimes they'll pop off. The whole metal clip might pop off. Now the ends of these here might be a little bit rusty, so you can go ahead and clean these up. I'm going to apply a little dab of grease on there. I'm going to use a little bit of fine sandpaper to go ahead and clean this up. Ours is a little more rusty than normal, but you do want to go ahead and clean this up because that component needs to pivot on this. So if it is rusty, clean that up. Then you could use something like a 400 grit sandpaper, something that's not super aggressive. You want to make sure you do the other one as well if that is needed. You can always just give that a wipe. This one here is in excellent condition. Before we pop on our component, we are going to put a dab of grease on the ball end here, and same on the other. Go ahead and grab that new unit, and we're going to line this up on the top. Now the metal clip comes already installed. All you have to do is press it onto the ball stud here, snap it on, and then we're going to do the same on the other end. Now for any reason, if this doesn't line up, you can go ahead and twist this piston a little bit to get that to line up. And you can see it's off a little bit, so all you got to do is have your assistant raise that hatch. You can always reach up and grab that and push up on it, line it up, and go ahead and pop that on. And at this point here, everything is attached, and you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.